ka President Kari India ka Draupadi Murmu kan sawan ban play patpa e Kalimpong Meghalaya Games arajar arpusaw hatura haka khatsan Tarik ubnai Kyllalyngkot. Hawa pen bana halor kane u menteri rangba ka jela u konrad ke sangma uloong bakane Kalimpong kan long ka ban saken mau hakaba ka President Kari kan don ringkat hakasni play kum ka kongsan. Uong ru baka Jngoh jongka haka Meghalaya Games kan sa ay mensi miki samla bat ki beshim benta haka ne Kalimpong bat kasni hadian jongka ne ka murmur kan sawan poi hanong ba shalong baneshim benta haki we pat ki program baper layo jing tip ru baka President Kari kan sabo yu mau nongrem banchna ya ka shalong ru pe project haka juk opor ki nong pet kila ban pet ya ka live telecast jongka Jngoh play ka Jngoh penkut jongka Jngoh kai final football bat ki we ki program ring ba ka DD Meghalaya.
It gives me immense pleasure and happiness to inform you that the Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu ji, will be visiting our state on the 15th and 16th of January 2024. On the 15th, she will be gracing the Meghalaya Games as the chief guest of that program, which will be a great encouragement for the youth of our state. And on the 16th, she will be proceeding to Shillong and attending many programs in Shillong. I once again take this opportunity to thank her and to welcome her to our state.